Fuck.
I know who you are. Get off.
Can I get...
Yeah, just go the long way. Just go the long way.
All right, brother. All right.
Just stay on the other side of this tape line right here,
I will.
okay? All right, appreciate it.
A plane has crashed right off the boulevard at Cotman Avenue. It's on fire. It's not under control. It looks like a side street. All police and fire. It looks like debris here. I'm in a debris field. They're roping off the parking lot. There is thick smoke and the smell of jet fuel. I'm working, I'm sorry, with Fox. I need to get my, I should have worn a jacket. You're sorry, brother.
Just go down around that
I will.
Go as far as you can.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Is this on video?
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh shit! A plane just fucking crashed! Oh shit!
And, yep.
Oh, move! Michael, move! Move! We can't reflect it.
Oh!
Oh my! Oh my god!
I ain't stay here. Fuck this shit.
Oh fuck! Oh my god, yo! Oh my god, yo! What the fuck? Yo!